When we first came from Africa, I didn't speak English. I only spoke my mother tongue. Communicating was really bad. We only stayed maybe for 2 months, and they sent us to school straight away. So that was a bit scary. Right now, I'm finishing my studies so I can go to uni. My hopes and dream is to become a pediatrician and probably go to India or Africa and work there with the children. I grew up in the refugee camp and I've seen people dying from basic stuff. You could get cured in Australia, but in Africa you can't. So that was I want to go back into third world countries that don't have enough medicines or just get basic help, medical help. So yeah, I want to help them. Jacqueline, you need to hurry up, okay? Time.
I have one dream which I think I dream every day. I don't know exactly where I am. Running. It's like I'm still fighting. It's real, not real. I really get confused.
Yeah, I really want to get into uni. Tomorrow I'll find out if I get in or not. So it'll be good. Then I feel like I'm going to start a new chapter in my life.
Ready to go?
Yeah, I'm really excited, yeah. But I'm also nervous at the same time.
Okay, here we are.
I don't want to see it.
As I did human trafficking.
Eh?
What?
I got it. Yep. Thank you. I'm nervous. Hello.
Hello.
How are you guys?
We're back.
Yeah.
Did you work?
No, I got dropped off.
Yeah.
Guess what? I got into uni. I found out today.
Come on, give me a hug. Come on. Oh, that's wonderful, beautiful.
Which uni?
Just it.
Wait, Noaga?
Yep.
Oh, that's good.
Vicky's going to uni. Celebrate. Yeah, Vicky's going to uni so that all of you can go to uni. She's digging the road to uni.
Well, the fact that Vicky's gone to uni, it sort of shows us that we can get there, we can do this if we put in the work. We're not deprived in any way, I don't think. If we want to get into uni, we will. We can get there. I think that's what she's like showed us.